Hi guys!
So today we have come to an exciting event, and the event is in Aloft. It's an American food festival actually going on. So we have come here to attend that event, and it's really excited to do that. So let's go inside.
Yay!
So guys, the music is going on. Suddenly stopped actually. So it's awesome area, it's an awesome place. Oh wow, the music is starting again. So just be with us and let's explore the area.
So meet Mr. Sandeep.
Thank you very much, guys. Thanks. I hope you had a wonderful time with us.
How long does it take to prepare
This one?
Okay,
Hardly
good,
one
this one I can't eat. This is not
one and a half hours? Not bad.
Marwari, na desi. Veg. Veg.
So what exactly? You're not eating?
I am not an animal lover. बीवी एक ही मेरी बीवी है वो ये है ठीक है देख लो भाई लोग ये एक बीवी है मेरी and she's happy. Are you happy with me?
These people are so freaking annoying. Let me dig into this.
Middle class ऑफिस में बंकर है हमारा रिसोर्ट
मालपुआ लाने के लिए बोलना आपसे ना इतना मीठा आप खाओगे? Okay, so show how I irritate Gaurav in real life. The note, keeping the joke at heels. I also don't like it. That's no reason.
has copied her video.
How's it?
अच्छा है मीठा है
गरम भी है मीठा भी है.
गरम भी है मीठा भी है That's good.
What is this?
ये मालपुआ है ना Obviously यार ये देसी मिठाई है nobody asked question about it.
So guys, we meet some new vloggers here, and so could you please introduce yourself now?
Hi, this is Avnish from 569.
And Subira from the Soap Bubbles.
Okay, and both of them are couple.
Hi.
So guys, our vlog is over, and we had a stomach full of dinner. And if you are really looking for some Western food, it's a good place to check it out. Also, you get some good variety in Indians, but Western is popular for.
Yeah.
So I hope you have seen the big pizza and well as the big burger. So that was quite innovative. What about you?
Me, I love the food. I love the variety. There are lots of variety. So I really liked it, and I think you guys must check the Aloft.
Details of this place is there in the description. Also, the Instagram link will be there. So check this place out.
If you're foodie, actually.
Yeah, this is a good place for foodie, and and also there are a lot of different other cuisines was there. Okay, so check it out. Okay, we just tasted a bit of everything here.
So I think you guys like this video. If you like it, then please like it and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Bye bye guys.